Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered how much time and effort you would need to remove the background from this image? In the past, if you want to remove a background of an image, you will have to go through many tedious and time-consuming steps. Today, I am going to show you how you can remove any background image with just one click. The software we are going to use today is Photoshop 2020. Let's get started. I have already opened up an image in Photoshop, showing a picture of this pretty girl here in red. The first thing is to go to the Properties tab. If you do not see this, you can always go to Window and select Properties. With the Properties tab selected, scroll down until you see the Quick Actions menu. Under it, you will see the Remove Background button. Simply click on it and watch the magic happens. You have now successfully removed the background image with one click of a button. Congratulations! This is just how easy it is. This is the result, before and after the removal of the background image. Let's remove the background of another image. I have opened another image of another pretty girl here. Again, we go to the Properties tab. Under the Quick Actions menu, simply click on the Remove Background button and let Photoshop do all the hard work for you. Within seconds, the background has been successfully removed. Look how easy it is. Hope you find this video helpful. If you want to learn more similar tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Comment below and let me know what kind of videos you want to see. I release a new video every day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.